What if I told you that a simple root, hidden in the soil for centuries, holds the secret to better digestion, glowing skin, and even fighting inflammation? Meet gobo root, the ancient superfood you need to know about. Gobo root, also known as burdock root, has been an essential ingredient in traditional medicine and cuisine for centuries. This humble root, often overlooked in the Western world, carries a rich history and an array of health benefits that make it a prized component of diets across Asia and Europe. With its deep, earthy flavor and crisp texture, gobo root has been cultivated for generations, not just for its culinary uses but also for its remarkable medicinal properties. The root belongs to the Arctium genus, a group of biennial plants that thrive in temperate climates. Traditionally, it has been harvested for its long, slender, brown-skinned root, which extends deep into the soil and absorbs nutrients that contribute to its powerful health effects. As cultures around the world continue to rediscover the benefits of natural and traditional foods, gobo root is gaining newfound attention in the modern era. The history of gobo root can be traced back thousands of years, with its first recorded use in ancient China and Japan. It was highly regarded in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, where it was believed to cleanse the blood, promote circulation, and support overall vitality. In Japan, burdock root has been a staple in many classic dishes, including kimpira gobo, a stir-fried dish featuring thinly sliced root cooked with soy sauce and sesame seeds. During the Middle Ages in Europe, burdock was also recognized for its healing properties and was frequently used as a natural remedy for various ailments, particularly skin conditions such as eczema, acne, and boils. The plant's ability to thrive in different climates allowed it to spread across continents, where it became an essential component of folk medicine. While it may not be as commonly found in Western diets today, burdock root is slowly making a resurgence in holistic health communities, thanks to increasing interest in natural healing and herbal remedies. Beyond its historical significance, gobo root is widely celebrated for its impressive nutritional profile. Rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, it provides essential nutrients that support digestion, boost immunity, and promote overall well-being. One of its standout features is its high concentration of inulin, a prebiotic fiber that nourishes beneficial gut bacteria, aiding in digestion and improving gut health. Inulin also contributes to the root's slightly sweet taste when cooked. Additionally, burdock root contains powerful antioxidants such as quercetin, luteolin, and phenolic acids, which help protect the body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds have been studied for their potential to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including heart disease and certain types of cancer. Furthermore, burdock root has mild diuretic properties, helping the body eliminate excess fluids and toxins, which is why it has been traditionally used as a detoxifying agent. Its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties also make it an effective natural remedy for fighting infections and promoting healthy skin. Culinary applications of gobo root vary widely, depending on cultural traditions and personal preferences. In Japanese cuisine, it is frequently incorporated into soups, stir-fries, and pickled dishes, adding a unique earthy flavor and a crunchy texture. The preparation process often involves soaking the root in water to remove bitterness, then slicing or shredding it for use in a variety of dishes. In Korea, burdock root is commonly enjoyed as a side dish known as doraji muchim, where it is seasoned with sesame oil and soy sauce. In European herbal traditions, burdock root has often been consumed as a tea, with dried slices steeped in hot water to extract its beneficial compounds. Modern chefs have also begun experimenting with burdock root in creative ways, incorporating it into plant-based dishes, herbal broths, and even desserts. Its versatility makes it a valuable ingredient for those seeking to expand their culinary horizons while reaping the health benefits it offers. As scientific research continues to uncover more about the health-promoting properties of gobo root, its popularity is expected to grow. Studies have shown promising results in its ability to regulate blood sugar levels, making it a potential ally for individuals with diabetes. Additionally, its anti-inflammatory properties make it beneficial for managing conditions such as arthritis and other inflammatory disorders. Some studies suggest that burdock root may even have cancer-fighting potential due to its ability to inhibit tumor growth and induce apoptosis, or programmed cell death, in cancer cells. With the rise of interest in herbal medicine, many natural health practitioners are recommending burdock root as a detoxifying and immune-boosting superfood. Whether consumed as a traditional dish, brewed into tea, or taken as a supplement, gobo root remains a powerful natural remedy that bridges the gap between ancient wisdom and modern wellness. As more people embrace the benefits of whole, natural foods, gobo root stands as a testament to the power of nature in promoting long-term health and vitality. From its deep history in traditional medicine to its modern-day superfood status, gobo root proves that nature's remedies stand the test of time. Will you be adding this powerhouse root to your diet? Let us know in the comments.